Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Affinity Photo, how to snap to grid. I will create new document, and if you want to show grid, you can go to view, click on show grid. Now to active snap in this grid, you can click at this icon, drop down menu, checks for enable snapping, and then checks for snap to grid. Like I will draw rectangle in it, and it be automatically snapping into grid like this. Click, hold, and then you can move, release, draw again another object like triangle tools. I will click from this point and move to the top here. Okay, that's it for basic Affinity Photo, how to snap to grid. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.